The Apple Airtags are great, and I have put them on my keys, my luggage, and we've done a couple of reviews of holders on this channel, but the one place that it doesn't fit all that well are wallets. And whether you have a wallet something like this, or even a wallet that is like a Ridge wallet, not a sponsor, not yet, give me a call, please. The AirTags are just too big. So what do? Well, we found this, the Chipolo Wallet Finder, specifically utilizing the Apple Find My feature. Let's take a look. What's going on, folks? Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and this is it. Just this. Like, if anyone asks you, hey, do you have a black card? You can pull this out and say, yes, I do. And it's not the same, but you know, it'd be good for a good dinner conversation. The Chipolo Wallet Finder, or more specifically, the Chipolo Card Spot, is available only in black, and this particular model only works with iOS's Apple Find My. Now, to be fair, there is a version that works with Android, just not this one. This one is specifically for iOS devices. And it works on iPads and on iPhones. So how does it work? Well, just like an Apple AirTag, you go into your Find My app on your iPhone or your iPad and you set up the device, and it works pretty much exactly like that. Just like an AirTag as well, if you do leave your device behind or you leave your wallet behind, other iOS users in the vicinity will find it and hopefully inform you. You can let them know by enabling lost mode, and they'll see an email or a phone number to contact. And for those of you concerned, Chipolo has also updated their Find My features to adhere to Apple's own updates, where if somebody is following you, we'll call it that, you'll get notified saying there's a device that's not registered to you, but it moves with you. Some of the other features on this guy is it has a 2-year non-removable battery. So at the end of 2 years, you're gonna have to replace this whole thing. But if you register it, you get 50% off. So being that this is only $35, half of that is half of $35. It is that number, and that is what you'll pay in 2 years. And not to mention, this little gadget is super thin, it's water resistant, and when you need to sound the alarm, if you're just trying to look for it in your household, it's pretty loud. And we have reviewed tracking products on this channel before, from Tracker to Chipolo, but one feature I did like, and I believe Tile does this as well, if you lose your phone but you have your keys or you have your wallet, you can press the button on your wallet and your phone will ring, so you can look for your phone. So it's kind of a two-way tracking in that sense. This doesn't seem to have it. This seems to be just a one-way kind of function. But worst case scenario, if you have lost your phone in your house, I guess you could just go to the Apple website, go to Find My, and look for it that way. One feature you won't find with the Chipolo Card Spot is the Apple Find feature. Now, if you're not familiar with this, this is really cool with Apple AirTags. You can turn on your camera and with augmented reality, just follow an arrow exactly to the spot where your Apple AirTag is. This doesn't do that. The Chipolo Card Spot will allow you to pull up the Apple Maps and you could find it that way, but if it's in your house somewhere, it's not going to be that specific. But until Apple comes out with their own version, and I'm sure they will, no matter who you are, what kind of wallet that you carry on your person, this works great, and it can be hidden in your wallet. You don't have to use one of your wallet slats. You can, I hide mine behind another hidden little flap, and I almost forget that it's there. So after watching this, is this something that would work out for you, or is it not what you're looking for? And if so, why or why not? Let us know in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more, we also have a podcast, and we also do game streaming, not on this channel anymore, but over at twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. It's a lot of fun over there. We have a Discord if you want to discuss more about these things directly with me and the team. And until the next time, y'all take care of yourselves. Late.